and I went up to him to shake his hand, say hi to him. He says, I don't meet your criteria for cars. I said, well, you're a father and son and daughter. I said, that's our criteria. We're a family club. We like family. And, you know, obviously I'm promoting classic cars. But he had his GTR. And so last week he had so much fun, he went out and bought a 65 Nova.
Wow.
And so, by us letting guys like that come, who are enthusiastic about cars, just like we are, we reeled one in.
Wow.
And a Nova at that.
And a Nova. And he's got his family with him. So that means, most likely, that Nova is going to get handed down generation to generation.
Wow.
Yep. We don't need that. Hey, truth be told, the peanut gallery will be silenced right now, and we will be thankful for them, and we won't think like that because we don't want that to happen. But anyway, this doesn't happen without your participation.
Never
All you guys
owns.
here showing up, this is awesome. We don't get to do this without. This isn't me. This is us. This is we. This is awesome. All you guys, the kids, the family, everybody here. I love it. And so now let's all bow our heads in a little time of prayer right now. Dear God, I want to thank you for bringing us all together tonight. One big family, keeping us safe. Make sure everybody's safe on cruise. God, I want to thank you for bringing some people back to us. It's been going through hard times. Dan's been through hard times and the fight of his life, and he's doing better. We need to give him more strength and get him better and better. Also, God, I want to thank you for all that you do for the club, and especially us members who are going through hard times. Please do everything you can to help us, especially like Dan. Danny, he just had his dad pass away, and you helped him get through hard times, and stay with him. He needs your help right now, especially right now. Also, we have Tom. Thomas is not doing really well. Tom, we want you to get better. We want the best for you, so we pray that everything goes good for you. Also, we have Russ. Russ is going through hard times, so let's do everything we can for Russ. And not last but least, Kent Fulmer is going through hard times right now, and we love Kenty. We want him back here. So God, thank you for all that you do for us. In your name I pray, amen.
Wow. I didn't know
This
about
is too long, and
Kent.
we don't want that. So hopefully you guys all start getting better, and we can all get to cruise together and have a good time together. I really love what we're doing and what we have here.
Didn't
This
know
is
about
unbelievable.
Russ.
Shows coming up. I have a show that's really important that I've been talking about, and I just solidified today with the mayor. The mayor will be doing the first responder cruise Wednesday, September 5th, the first Wednesday of September. We're going to do it for the firemen, the policemen, and the lifeguards. A first responder cruise. We're putting it together. I'm going to be going down to the mayor's office and talking to him, and we're going to be working on some logistics. We're going to have mayor's best pick a car, and we're going to also honor a few people during that night. He's going to cruise with us, and we're going to ask the policemen and firemen and the lifeguards to bring their trucks and cars, and hopefully some vintage cars and trucks, and cruise down Main Street. And I'm also asking for them to get a police escort. So hopefully we'll be involved in the police escort. Don't know if it'll happen, but we're asking for it.
All right.
Wow, way to go. Way to go, Brian.
Cruise for the Cure is coming. I bought 50 spots. I sold only 26 spots. So I got 24 spots left. Thank you, Dominic. So I got it right this week. So if anybody needs a spot for Cruise for the Cure, please let me know. I don't care when you pay me. Just let me know. I'll book you in. You pay me when you want. I know you're good for it. There's other people in the group that I've already paid for their spots, and they're concerned they're not going to be with us. That's not the case. I have 50 spots to sell, and any other spots that you guys already bought, you're right next to us. I talked to Debbie. And hopefully we'll have more than 50 guys there. That would be great. And so we'll keep working at that goal, and hopefully we get there. We also have the David Bethlehem show for Rick Katz coming up August 12th. That's going to be a fun show. We have Al's Guardian Angel show. That's October 13th. And that's a special show because we have Jeff Carr in the Car Club, and his dad's died from Lou Gehrig's disease. And we need to support that because he's our brother. We also have a cool show. Barefoot Brian and Shamira, August 18th, down the street here, is doing a little show. It's a fun show. He has a barbecue for everybody, pays for it. It was one of the first shows I ever went to. I had a great time. Barefoot Brian, we love you. He's a good guy. Go down and see him at Shamira. Let me see here. Pause for Patriots is another show that we're going to be doing. And the date on that show, I don't have it with me. Well, here I do, actually. The date on Pause for Patriots is going to be October 6th. It's in Gypsum Canyon RV Park, and it's for a good cause. They give furniture to all the veterans. They help furnish their houses, and the veterans don't get enough recognition. We do not do enough for the veterans. So anything and everything we can do for them, let's help. Sponsors-wise, we got Heather in the house. Is she still here? Does she take off? We lose Heather. There she is. Still here. Stick around today. You know, Heather's great. She comes, she takes pictures of the cars, and so before I forget, I'm going to take a time out right now. Heather's asked me for all of us to get together for a group photo. So I like to do a group photo, or let's wait till I finish this because Dano's filming right now live. But at the end of this, we're all going to stick around and do a group photo.
Oh, Dano in the one photo.
Heather's going to be doing it, and you know, we have a lot to be thankful for her. If you need wedding pictures, anything you need done,
She better have some wide angle on that.
Heather's one to ask. We got Joe with Beach Joe. We got Gangster Joe in the house.
Yo, yo.
Hey,
Yo, Joe.
if you need a tow,
Hey, Joe.
Flatbed Joe.
Flatbed Joe.
Give me a call.
We got Jamie Varnell.
Oh, I
He's
might
our
need a tow,
detailer
bro.
of our security. If it wasn't
My old
for
Windstar.
Jamie, we wouldn't be able to eat dinner every Wednesday night. And we have a lot to be thankful for Jamie. He comes down here, he has family, and he comes every Wednesday night. So if you guys are going to park in the parking garage tonight, it would be really nice if you guys can tip him. He appreciates it, and he does it out of the kind of his heart. Jamie, thank you.
Hey, Jamie.
Thank you, Jamie.
Hey. We have Stephen Bailey. He does all our emails. We have a lot to be thankful for Stephen. He's always putting up with me. Thank you, Stephen. We appreciate you. Do you have anything you want to say, Stephen?
Just we got about 10 names and that we put on this week and waiting for artwork.
The artwork, so since he always brings up the artwork, I just talked to Johnny yesterday. Johnny's going on vacation, but we don't need Johnny anymore. Johnny went to see, I think, Lisa, the embroidery lady down there by his house at the bay down there in Ventura, and they're being made. They're drawing them on the computer. As soon as they're JPEG on the computer, I've already have several designs that I've come up with that I'm going to have for you guys. I'm going to bring them down here and let you guys choose what you want. Listen, guys, we had to start someplace. I started with what I thought you guys would like. If it's not something we all agree or we don't like, it's not a problem. Down the road, we can change it. But for now, we need to start someplace. We need to have something so we can go to the shows coming up, and we you know, for me, it's cool. You know, it's humbling. You guys are all going to be wanting to wear shirts. I hope you guys like what I bring, and I'm going to have several different things, and I'm real happy with it. I spent a long time on it, so. And I brought something for everybody. There's something for the younger crowd and for the older crowd. So, thank you, Ron.
Good job, Brian.
Johnny Martinez, so Wicked Line. So thank you, Johnny. We got Chris with Solution Finishes. Chris is a great help. He comes down. If you ever used his products before, but if you have plastic fading on your cars, he's got something that'll take it away and make it look really good. Chris, thank you. Brian Glywell with Rods and Rails. He's not here lately. He's been very busy. But he's always active in the club. He calls me and he wants to be here and be a part of it. And you know Brian, half the time he comes down here, he ends up on the side of the road fixing somebody's car on cruise night. So Brian, thank you.
Where do you move to? Because I went by there and don't sign it.
He's out of his house.
He's out of his house in Cerritos, yeah. And
I guess they laid more concrete.
yeah, he opened a couple of garages back there and he's working on them out of his house. And you know, we have Devin, who's our artist in the club, and we have to be thankful for Devin. Devin is going to be working with me on the calendar that we're going to do for the car club. Excuse me. Car of the month and member of the month, or just car of the month. Car of the month. He's going to draw up the cars. It's an option, you guys. If you win car of the month and you want to get your car drawn by Devin, he'll do it for you. And then we're going to make a calendar. I'm going to be taking care of the calendar, but to get your car drawn, you have to pay Devin, and he charges a fee. I think it's anywhere from $50 to $60, $40 to $60, something of the sort, and he'll draw your car. Then we're going to take that picture and put it on a calendar. Instead of having pictures of cars, we're going to have an artist calendar this year. Don't know. I don't want to make promises I can't keep. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but I'm going to try my best. I'm going to try to put it together, and if I can do it, we're going to do it. That's my goal, and I'm going to stick with it. So thank you, Devin, because Devin's on board. We got Willie Willie's in the house. Willie's a sponsor with the auto service. Willie's Auto Service. We got to thank Willie. Thank you, Willie.
Thank you, Willie.
And just to let everybody know, when I talk to the mayor tomorrow, he's going to be at Johnny's and between 5 and 7 doing some stuff for the community. So anybody wants to go down to Johnny's tomorrow and have a drink or hang out with the mayor, he's going to be there. He wanted me to let you guys know between 5 and 7. So
Johnny's Saloon.
Johnny Saloon, that's right. And tonight we're going to be eating at dinner at HB Beer Company. They're real good to us. We all get to sit together. It's a big family. I'm real thankful. Let me see what else here. New members. Who's a new member tonight? I know Tom didn't say anything last week. So Tom, let's raise up your hand. Tom, introduce yourself. Let everybody know what you're driving.
I'm Tom. I got this 61 Bug Eye Sprite here that I have owned since 1969, and it's finally fixed up the way I wanted it done. And it's had the pleasure of being on Beach Toes flatbed one time.
Give you a discount?
The insurance company paid for it.
You know, Tom said something to me the first time I met him. He says to me, I met him at the Fountain Valley Car Show. He says, hey, you want to come cruise with us? Let's go for a cruise. He says, well, I don't have American classic car. I said, I don't care. I said, you love cars. You want to come cruise? Let's cruise. And so he's down here again tonight because he had so much fun last week. And for me, I'm very thankful for Tom. Thank you for coming and supporting the club. We appreciate you, Tom.
And I've written up an article for the Austin Healy Association newsletter. See if I can get more of those guys down, because we've got quite a few guys in Orange County, LA County, San Bernardino, Riverside. So we'll see if we can get any of them out here.
So we have one more car show. Jim, you have something you want to talk about? What
yeah.
you got going on?
Sunday, August 26th, we have a car show over in Long Beach. It's at the intersection of Carson Street and Bellflower Boulevard. It's one block east of Long Beach City College, not the university. And it goes from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. We have 20 different trophy presentations. We've got registered, or every driver that shows up is going to get a t-shirt, and we have a drawing, and pretty much every driver will get their ticket, and they'll probably get at least 2 different drawing items. Because once we go through the drawings, we put them in another bowl and we draw them again. So there's stuff for everybody. We've got 50-50. We've got events for the kids. We're having a giveaway of Hot Wheels for all the kids that show up to the car show. We've got plenty of restaurants within the shopping center, so you've got your choice of foods and drinks and everything. So we'd love to have you come. It's $10, and you pay as you sign in. But if you can pre-register just by shooting me an email, and I've got the flyers here, so that we can kind of get an idea of how many cars we're going to have, so we know how many parking lots to block off. But you don't pay in advance; you just pay when you show up.
Okay.
Any questions?
Well, give me some of those. I can hand them out, and I'll let everybody know every week for you, Jim.
Thank you.
You know, this is the kind of stuff that I like to do. Listen, guys, there's shows that you guys know about that we don't all know about. There's shows that you guys want to do that not all of us know about. So bring them down. And if you're our brother, we want to go together and we can make it happen. We're going to do it. We're going to go together and have fun. I guess we have somebody that really doesn't get thanked a lot, you know, with the whole group around together in one spot. And he's filming right now. So we all need to give a round of applause to Dano. Dano, we appreciate you. This is the guy right here. Look for the Dano van. We appreciate Dano.
I'll take it for you.
You know, Dano comes down out of the kindness of his heart every Wednesday, deals with all the politics, and he's here, and we appreciate him. Dano, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Dano van.
Thank you.
I told Dano he should cruise the Dano van down and leave us tonight, and he said that no way, he's filming, he's dedicated to what he loves to do, and so he'll be down there, and he's got his new ride, and he's stoked, and you know what? It couldn't happen to a better guy. Congratulations, Dano. You deserve it.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Now,
Oh, I'm not going to speak?
before I forget, we got to do a couple of awards here. It's Member of the Month and Car of the Month. And member of the month this month to me is a special guy that I love to death. He's like a dad to me, and he's going through hard times right now. And we need to support him and pray for him and keep him in our thoughts. And you know, Mr. Simpson,
Tommy.
we love you, Tommy.
Yeah, baby.
Tommy, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for always sticking behind me and supporting me and being my friend. It means a lot to me, and I love you with all my heart, buddy.
There's no crying in this stuff.
And I wanted to say something about yesterday. And this guy came to the place that I'm living, and he brought 2 people with him, and they unloaded my trailer and put the stuff back in the garage, and the 55 still fits in the garage, and that's really nice.
I love you, buddy.
Oh,
Now, for car of the month,
thank you.
you know, there's so many cars I could pick every month, and it's like, oh boy, so we're going to be here for a while, so we're all going to get this eventually down the road. So, but this guy has been in my ear lately, telling me how much he loves the club, how much he supports the club, how much he tells everybody about the club, how he brings people to the club that maybe don't fit the criteria, but end up buying a Nova. And you know what? He brings his son. He brings his family, he brings his wife, he brings his kids. He's got a bad whip. It's a beautiful 68 black Camaro. And Willie, we want to give you
Awesome. Cool.
And can I throw one thing in?
Yes.
Willie called me up when I was without wheels temporarily, and he said, Dano, I got a Jeep. It's yours. You can have it.
I know. You know, that's what makes this club go round. That's what we're doing. We're a family, and we all help one another. When we're broke down, when we need something, we need help moving. You know, you guys can always count on me. If I can be there for you, I will be there. And I know there's other brothers and sisters too. So, that being said, we're going to HB Beer Company and Restaurant. We get 15% off. Please join us for dinner. Let's have a safe cruise. You guys know the rules. If you have corks off, down Main Street's fine. We don't need to rev them up too loud to knock the plates off the people's dinner tables. But when we hit the corners, we shut them off. We cruise back down. We take our 2 passes. Jamie will be up on the 3rd floor. Park your car. Come have dinner with us. You guys all be safe.
We got a PS.
Group photo. Group photo. That's right.
Everybody just go
There you have it.
over here.
This way. All right.
People.
Okay. Dano live here at Surf City Classics on Dano Vision. We are out.
We are out.